Hello my dear students, in today's video we are going to see a BCD adder. Before going to start what is meaning of or what is the working principle of BCD adder, let's know about BCD number systems. A BCD number system is valid up to 0 to 9 and then 10 to 15 onwards it is invalid 1. So the BCD addition process is consists like this. Add the 4-bit BCD code groups for each decimal digit position. We are going to perform simple binary addition. This is the first step. Okay. In the second step, when the sum is 9 or less than 9, then sum of each digit position is in proper BCD addition and no correction is required. Okay, this is the second step. And the third step, if suppose addition of each digit position is greater than 9, then we have to add six decimal or 0110 binary value in that sum result for the correction purpose, because the BCD number is valid up to 0 to 9. That's why we have to add 6 in decimal or 0110 in binary in the addition when greater than the 9. These are the rules we have to follow for the BCD additions. Then next continue with the BCD adder. Assume there are two numbers. Assume we are going to perform addition of two numbers, that is number A and number B. For number A there are 4 bits, A3, A2, A1, A0, and number B there are 4 bits, B3, B2, B1, B0. Okay, in this way we have to considering these two numbers, then we have to implement logic diagram for the BCD adder. So the circuit for BCD adder is drawn below. This is the diagram in which we are going to perform addition of two 4-bit BCD numbers. Okay, let's assume there are two numbers A3, A2, A1, A0, that is number A, and B3, B2, B1, B0, there is a number B. Okay, when we are going to add this number, it produces S0, S1, S2, S3, 4 outputs with C out, that is C4 bit. Okay, and the addition is given to the next, the result is given to the next 4 bit adder. If suppose this addition result is greater than 9, then we have to add a value 0110 to this result, and if the addition result is 0, then we don't have we no need to have any value to this result. So we need two 4 bit parallel adders, adder 1 and adder 2. This is the final result which produces a 4 bit BCD number or sum. So before going to start, this is a combinational circuit which produces a correction value, that is 0110, which will be going to be add with this value 1. Okay, then next, this is a C out bit which is a resultant of this addition of two numbers. Then in which way this combination circuit is designed? For that we need a truth table, in which the truth table consists inputs are S3, S2, S1 and S0, and it consists of decimal numbers. We know that in binary BCD additions, after 10 to 15 the number is invalid. So for 10, 1 0 1 0, this is a result of these two addition A and B. For this also this is invalid one. Then next, for 11, 1 0 1 1, for 12, 1 1 0 0, for 13, 1 1 0 1, and for 14, 1 1 1 0, and for 15, 1 1 1 1. For these all values we have to add 0 1 1 0 or 6 in decimal value to this second binary second parallel adder with the help of this combinational circuit. So first aim, we have to design this combinational circuit. To design this combinational circuit, consider the one more output X. For this we can plot the K-map. Okay, then plot the K-map for these values. So we need 4 variable K-map. Put S3, S2, S1, S0, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0, 0 1, 3 2, 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. Okay, so I are consider only these values. So the values are 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14. Okay, for that just bring out the common terms by grouping of chord. Here one chord is, and here is another chord. Okay, from these two chord we have to find out the common terms. From these two chord, these two rows are common as well as these two columns are common one. So from these two rows we are getting S3 as a common, and from these two S2 as an common terms. Okay, that is a S3 into S2, sorry, it is a SOP form. And from this we are only getting S3 S2 terms. So equate all these terms, S3, sorry, here S1, S3 S2 plus S3 S1. So bring S3 as a common, so S2 plus S1. So this combination circuit is implemented with the help of these Boolean equations. This consider first S3. Okay, what is the relation between these two? They are ORing with each other. So S2 and S1, they are ORing with each other, and these terms are going to ending with S3. So we need one more input, that is S3, and they are going to ANDing with each other. This will be gives us one input. Okay, then we have to take carries also consideration. So this output is going to be OR with C4 bit of the first adder, and this will be gives us value X, which is present here. So this combination circuit is equivalent to this one. Okay, so draw once again this circuit with the help of this one. We need all the inputs. So only consider a 4-bit adder. With this 4-bit adder, there are inputs are B0, B1, B2, B3, as well as A0, A1, A2, A3, and it produces outputs which are going to next 4-bit BCD adder. S0, S1, S2, S3. Okay, and it here is a correction 1. This is connected to ground, so its value is 0, and here we have to add 0, 1, 1, 0, and produces output summation of 0, summation of 1, summation of 2, summation of 3 with a carry output. So perform the value which is concerned with this one. So first we have used S3 plus S2. This is a S2 bit and this is a S1 bit. We are going to be OR with each other. Okay, then this is given to the next with ANDing with S3 bit, and then this is going to be add with C out of the first, and produces output X, and this X is going to be add to this value. Okay, let's take one example. Suppose assume A3, A2, A1, A0, B3, B2, B1, B0. These are the two numbers in which consider this value is 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, and consider this value is 1. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1. The addition is 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, which is the 9 in decimal 1, which is less than 0. So there is no need to add any value. So according to this logic, what is the value of S1? The S1 value is 1. Sorry, S0 value is 0. There is S1 is also 0, and S2 is also 0. 0 plus 0, 0. S3 is also 1. So 1 into 0 is becomes 0. No carry is produced. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So we are not going to be add any 6 value in this way. So consider another example. Assume this A number is having value 8 and B number is having value 2 into decimal. So we are going to perform a BCD addition. 1 0 0 0 plus 0 0 1 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. This is equivalent to the 10 into decimal, so which is not valued. In this condition we have to add the 0 1 1 0 to this number. So let's continue with this combination circuit. So assume it is a S0, S1, S2 and S3. So for this example, the S0 is 0. So no need to of S0. S1 value is 1, so write here 1. Then S2 is 0, so S2 value is 0, and S3 value is 1. So for this we have to know that we have to add S2 plus S1, and then we have to multiply it with the S3. So S2 plus S1, this 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. In ORing, 0 plus 1 becomes 1. And then what is the value of S3? Is become 1. 1 into 1 becomes 1, because it is a AND gate. So 1 into 1 becomes 1. So carry is produced, no carry is produced. So carry value is 0, and the output of this is 1. So 1 plus 0 becomes 1. This 1 is come here, which is common to both terms. The value is 0, 1, 1, 0, which are going to be added with this BCD number, and whatever the number is present here, which is corrected 1. In this way, we are going to be perform a 4-bit BCD adder by considering small things. If the sum is less than 9, then no need to add any value into this combination circuit. So there is no error in the result of this first BCD adder. If the addition of this A and B is greater than 9, then we have to add 0, 1, 1, 0 into second BCD adder with the help of this combinational circuit. I hope so you understand the little bit about 4-bit BCD adder. Thank you very much.